i35equipment.com. We stock a large size variety of manual thumbs for all excavator and backhoe loader applications. We also have some smaller ones up by the office for your mini excavators and those backhoes. We even have hydraulic ones available as well. See our full inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Best way to see which thumb your specific machine needs is take a measurement of your bucket with your bucket on the ground from the bucket teeth up to just above your stick, and that'll show you roughly this measurement from the back where this weld-on plate is to the tip of that tooth right there. If you go too short, your bucket could swallow the thumb. Not as useful, so it's always better to be a little bigger than a little shorter. You just need to make sure that your weld-on plate is the appropriate size to weld on to your stick. These thumbs do fold up to go flat against the stick for transportation, or if you're just going to do digging for a long time. They are fantastic for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading boulders, and just about everything else. And as I said, you can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. There's a shot of our website sticker on the side. That's John Deere 250. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a wonderful day.